Positive infinity. Continuing forever up through the positive numbers. Students often learn about infinity as the concept that numbers can continually increase in value forever. Infinity is, therefore, a concept and not a single number, since the moment we focus on one number, we are already past it as we continue to increase in value. Therefore, we cannot use an equal sign with an infinity sign, parentheses, until calculus when we change the rules a little, end parentheses. As with all positive numbers, we do not say they are positive. Hence, students who learn about infinity don't always consider that there is a negative infinity, parentheses, negative sign with an infinity sign, end parentheses. Consider the number line. A line with positive numbers to the right, negative numbers to the left, and a zero in the middle, separating the positive number set and the negative number set. Consider that infinity, parentheses, positive infinity that is, and parentheses, is off to the right of the number line forever. Likewise, by proceeding to the left on the number line forever, we are headed toward negative infinity, or the symbol negative and the infinity symbol. If teachers would discuss infinity as positive infinity, students might have a heads up that negative infinity also exists. Negative infinity is ever increasingly large negative numbers, or numbers of lesser value, forever. Infinity is a concept, not a number. Positive infinity is the concept that numbers can increase in value forever. Antonyms: negative infinity, related words, number line, concept.